Good afternoon, class 3. Welcome to the online class. And I think you were doing chapter number 9, how many times. And as you can see that how many times it is related to multiplication, isn't it? You were doing for multiplication, and so you will carry this one in the same with math magic. And as you know, repeated addition is also means multiplication, isn't it? Or you can say multiplication means repeated addition. When you are adding a number repeatedly, in that case you can just multiply and write the answer. Clear? So everyone come to page 132. Come to page 132 of math magic. Page 132 of math magic, and let us do that one. Before that, before this, anyone having any problem? Before this, any of the exercise or any of the question you are not able to understand, let me know in the chat box. You have to start the practice time. Yes, you have to start the practice time, isn't it? So any one of you having any problem before this? I can see there are many word problems. Then there are repeated addition, and once you are writing in repeated addition form, and once you are writing in the multiplication form. So anyone having any problem? Listen, those who are not able to see me, disconnect and join again, because the fault is from your side. Your net connection is not proper. So disconnect and join again, those who are not able to see me. Yes, so when you don't have any type of problem, so let us do exercise 100. Not exercise, page number 132. So everyone come to page 132 of math magic. Page 132 of math magic. See, practice time. The first one is given, practice time. So we will do this one. The first question for question number A is, complete the following. 2 into 7. What is the answer for 2 into 7? Here you can write the multiplication, isn't it? Or multiplication table. Multiply and write the answer. Quickly write in the chat box. Everyone. Yes, one answer I have got from Oindrila. Others also? 2 into 7. What will be the answer? Quickly write. Why you are so slow? Write fast. Very good. Noreen, Rajkishore. Very good. Next. Yes, Sanklan. Very good. That means 2 into 7 is equals to 14, or 7 twos are 14. Next, write the next one. Write the next one. 4 into 9. Yes, very good. You all are giving the correct answer. 4 into 9. 4 nines are 36, or 9 fours are is also 36. 4 nines are 36, 9 fours are is also 36. Next, 5 into 8. 5 into 8. Quickly write it down. These all are the multiplication table, and you all know the multiplication table. The answers you will write in the book. The answers you will write in the book. Yes, very good. 5 8s are 40. Very good. 5 8s are 40. So this is 5 8s are 40, or 8 5s are is also 40. Now 10 into 6. 10 into 6. 10 6 are? Very nice. 10 6 are 60. Very active class. It is 10 into 6, 60. As well as you can do it 6 into 10 also. 10 into 6 as well as 6 into 10. Both are same. Fifth one, 5 into 9. Or 9 into 5. Jishnu, wrong. 5 9s are how much? 5 9s are. Yes, very good, Sanklan. Now Jishnu is correct. 5 9s are 45, or 9 5s are 45. 5 9s are 45, or 9 5s are 45. Then 3 into 9. 3 into 9. 3 into 9, or 9 into 3. Yes. 9 3s are 27, or 3 9s are 27. Next one, 5 into 2. 5 into 2. Yes, 5 into 2, it is very easy. 10. 5 2s are 10, or 2 5s are 10. Then 3 10s are? 3 10s are? 3 10s are? Exactly, it is 30. 3 10s are 30, or 10 3s are is also 30. Now 2 into 8. 2 into 8, it is 16, or 8 into 2, 16. 2 8s are 16, or 8 2s are 16. Now 10 into 8, the last one. 10 into 8. 10 into 8 is 80, or 8 10s are 80. 10 into 8 is 80, or 8 into 10 is 80. Okay, so these are very simple multiplication you have written in the book, or rather you can say these all are the multiplication tables. These all are the multiplication tables. I think you all have completed in the book. Now come to question number B. Come to question number B. Look at the pattern and complete them. Now you have to complete the pattern. You have to complete the pattern. Okay. This is question number B. The first one is given 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma dash. Oh, 3 dash are given. Quickly solve it. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. That means this is the table of 3. This is the table of 3. So what you will write the next? 3 3s are 9. Up to 3 3s are 9 is given. Next will be? Next will be? See, you all are sending the snaps of the book, but I want the writing in the chat box. It is very easy. You will write it in the book and then you will take the snap and then you will send it. But I want the answer in the chat box. Very good, Ronak. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Then 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. So 3 6 9 12 15 and 18. Next one, table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12. These all are the tables. Next is 10, 20, 30, and then again 3 blank. So 10, 20, 30, table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, and 10 sixes are 60. 10 sixes are 60. Next, fourth one. 4, 8, 12. This is the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, and 4 sixes are 24. 4 sixes are 24. Next one. 5, 10, 15, dash, dash, and dash. And this is the table of 5. This is the table of 5, isn't it? So this is the table of 5 as you are seeing. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, then 5 fours are 20, isn't it? 5 fives are 25, and 5 sixes are 30. The last one. 30, 60, 90, and 3 dash. So this is the table of 30, isn't it? This is the table of 30. The board is visible to everyone. The board is visible to everyone. The down portion of the board is it visible to everyone? Nasreen, check your net connection. Nasreen, check your net connection. I think it is not proper. That's why you are not able to see the board. Okay. The last one, 30, 60, 90. And the next one will be? Next one? Exactly. 120. And the next one? 150. And 180. Isn't it? So this is the table of 30. 30 ones are 30, 30 twos are 60, 33s are 90, 34s are 120, 35s are 150, and 36 are 180. This is related to number 3. Sorry, multiplication table of 3. Isn't it? 30 is related to multiplication of table of 3. Only 1 0 is adding. 1 0 is added. Isn't it? Okay, so I think you all have completed this one. So students, today up to this only, whatever we have done in the class, you once more practice at home. Okay, in your home copy, you once more you practice it. And question A and B, you will do it in the book as well as in the copy, both. You will do it in the book and in the copy both. Okay, and if you have any problem, you will ask me or to the maths teacher, your maths teacher. Okay, so that's all for today, and practice the maths whatever we have done today. Okay, so bye all of you for today.